Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of all devices on exness.com. First of all, launch open your web browser and in the URL box type in exness.com and search. If you think your Exness account is logged into on another devices and you just want extra security, then in order to log out from all devices, you need to make sure that you're logged into your account first on exness.com. Once you're logged into the home page of Exness, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner and click Settings. Once you're inside the Settings tab that appears on the screen, go to the left-hand side corner and scroll down and click on Security. Now, inside Security tab, scroll all the way down and look for this Log Out from Other Devices tab. Click on that and then click on Logout. This will remove access to your Exness account from all other devices. You'll only stay logged in on this device. So click Logout and this will be able to help you log out of any other unauthorized devices into your Exness.com account. That's it! You've successfully logged out of all devices on Exness and made your account more secure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.